Monday's Force in Motion video part 2. Sometimes the phone or the computer doesn't like how long a video is and I've got to cut it into 2 parts. So here's part 2 for Force in Motion. We're starting in with gravity, okay? We say gravity. Gravity is a pulling force. It's the force of attraction between any 2 objects that have mass. But mainly in 5th grade, the gravity that we're worried about is the tendency of things to be pulled towards the center of the earth. Gravity is a pulling force. The greater the mass that an object has, the more gravity it has. Speed versus velocity. Speed is how fast an object is moving. So the motion that goes with the vocabulary word speed is speed. Now, velocity is speed and direction. So speed is simply how fast you're traveling. The car is traveling at 20 meters per second. The velocity is speed in a given direction. This car is traveling at a velocity of 20 meters per second east. Speed, how fast? Velocity, speed in a given direction. Acceleration. Acceleration is any change in speed or direction. So I'm accelerating because I'm speeding up. But I'm also accelerating because I'm slowing down. The B is accelerating because it's changing directions. Okay? Any type of change in speed or direction is going to be considered acceleration. So we say acceleration. All right, Newton's 3 laws. If you really want to review Newton's 3 laws, go ahead and look up the video, What's Newton's Laws Say? And listen to it over and over again. It'll be real fun, I promise. So, Newton's 3 laws. The first law says an object will remain at rest unless acted on by an unbalanced force. An object in motion will continue with constant speed and direction unless acted on by an unbalanced force. Newton's second law says that it shows how force, mass, and acceleration are released, as shown in the equation below. Force equals mass times acceleration. So what that means is acceleration is produced when a force is applied to a mass. Anytime an unbalanced force is applied to a mass, you're going to have acceleration. And number 3, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The first one, the vocabulary word that you need to know for Newton's first law is the law of inertia. Basically, an object is going to keep doing what it's already doing unless an unbalanced force changes that. The second one is the law of force. Mass times acceleration equals force. And the third one is the law of action-reaction. All right, motion graphs. When you have your time and your distance, if you've got a straight horizontal line, that means that the object is at rest. It is not moving, because whether it be at 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever, it is still in the same position. It has not gone any more distance. A straight diagonal line means that it is moving forward at a constant speed. This object might be moving after 5 minutes, it's gone 3 meters. After 10 minutes, it's gone 4 meters. And it's moving at 1 meter per second. It's a constant speed. A curving upward line means that the object is moving forward with increasing speed. It's accelerating. A downward curving line means that it's moving forward but with decreasing speed. Motion graphs. All right, and that is our Force in Motion video for this week. Remember, don't forget to practice on Quizlet. On Tuesday, you'll take the practice test on Quizlet. and answer all the questions after you do your flashcards in a game. And then on Wednesday, you'll take your Force in Motion test on Google Classroom. Bye.